I stayed in Bratislava for 24 hours, visited 11 tourist attractions, ate at one restaurant, and this is how much I spent. Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my travel videos, you'll know that I went on a 2-week backpacking trip to Central Europe in 2023. Well, today I wanted to talk to you about another city that I visited, Bratislava. If you're planning to go to Bratislava and want to learn more about the city, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and I'll share with you all the details about what you can do in Bratislava. In this video, I'll be talking about the following things: places I visited, food, accommodations, and how much I spent. Before we begin, I would greatly appreciate it if you could support my channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment below, and hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Places I visited. The Blue Church, Church of St. Elizabeth. The Blue Church, or Church of St. Elizabeth, is a unique architectural gem in Bratislava that stands out for its striking blue art design. Located near the city center, it's a must-see for visitors due to its stunning exterior, vibrant mosaics, and peaceful atmosphere. The church is dedicated to St. Elizabeth and is known for its intricate details, including the blue-tiled roof and ornate stained glass windows. Most S&P UFO Tower. Most S&P, home to the iconic UFO Tower, is a must-visit landmark in Bratislava, offering stunning panoramic views of the city and the Danube River. The tower, perched 85 meters above the bridge, features an observation deck and a restaurant with 360-degree views, making it the perfect spot to take in the city's skyline, including Bratislava Castle and the Old Town. The bridge itself is an architectural marvel, and the UFO-shaped structure adds a futuristic touch to the city's landscape. Bratislava Castle. Bratislava Castle is a must-visit for anyone exploring the Slovak capital, offering a blend of history, culture, and breathtaking views. Perched on top of a hill, the castle overlooks the city and the Danube River. Visitors can explore its rich history, from medieval origins to its role as a royal residence, and discover its impressive exhibits in the castle's museum. St. Martins Cathedral. St. Martins Cathedral is a stunning Gothic landmark in the heart of Bratislava, rich in history and architectural beauty. As the city's oldest and largest church, it was once a coronation site for Hungarian kings, adding historical significance to its majestic interior. Visitors can admire its intricate stained glass windows, tall spire, and impressive altar, as well as explore the crypt where many of the kings and nobles were buried. Slovak National Theatre. The Slovak National Theatre in Bratislava is a cultural gem that offers visitors a chance to experience Slovakia's rich theatrical heritage. Located in the heart of the city, the stunning building hosts a variety of performances, from opera and ballet to drama, showing world-class talent. Its elegant interior, complete with ornate decor and a grand chandelier, adds to the experience of attending a performance in this historical venue. Chumil. Chumil, the famous watcher statue in Bratislava, is a quirky and beloved landmark that draws visitors for its playful charm. Located in the heart of the Old Town, the statue depicts a man emerging from a manhole, seemingly peeking at people. It's a fun and unique symbol of Bratislava's whimsical side, capturing the city's sense of humor and creativity. Old Town Hall. The Old Town Hall in Bratislava is a must-visit for anyone interested in the city's rich history and architecture. Located in the heart of the Old Town, this medieval building complex dates back to the 14th century and houses the city museum. Visitors can explore its fascinating exhibits, including ancient artifacts, historical maps, and displays on Bratislava's past. Primatial Palace. The Primatial Palace in Bratislava is a stunning example of classical architecture and is a must-see for visitors interested in the city's history and culture. Built in the 18th century, the palace is known for its elegant design, opulent rooms, and the impressive Hall of Mirrors. It also houses a valuable collection of tapestries and art. Michael's Gate. Michael's Gate is one of Bratislava's most iconic landmarks, offering a fascinating glimpse into the city's medieval past. As the only preserved gate of the city's original fortification, it stands as a symbol of the old town's history. Visitors can climb the tower for panoramic views of Bratislava, while a museum inside showcases exhibits on the city's military history and architecture. Presidential Palace. The Presidential Palace in Bratislava is a beautiful historical building and an important political landmark. Set in a tranquil park, it offers visitors a chance to admire its elegant architecture and manicured gardens. While the palace itself is the official residence of Slovakia's president, the surrounding grounds are open to the public, providing a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Slavin. Slavin is a poignant and powerful site in Bratislava, offering both historical significance and stunning views of the city. This military cemetery and memorial honors the Soviet soldiers who fell during World War II in the liberation of Slovakia. The monument, with its towering obelisk and solemn statues, stands as a symbol of sacrifice and remembrance. Food. While I was in Bratislava, I ate out once at a nice restaurant called Restauracja Divnianko. Less than a 5 minutes walk from the Presidential Palace, this place serves pretty decent food. When I was there, I ordered the chef-recommended Viennese veal schnitzel and potato salad with red onion. It was very tasty and the portion size was huge. I had trouble finishing it, so I had to take some of it to go. In total, it cost me €17 for the sit-down meal. Accommodations. I paid $23.69 Canadian to stay in a 6-bed female dormitory at a hostel called Patio Hostel. In general, there aren't many hostels to choose from in Bratislava. Overall, my review of the place would be average. I would give it a rating of 7 out of 10. The service was acceptable and the hostel was clean. My only complaint would be the bathrooms. We had to share the bathrooms with the male guests, which is unusual because most hostels I've stayed at, they usually separate the female and male bathrooms. How much I spent. And this is how much I spent. Nothing on tourist attractions, €17, which is about 25 Canadian on food, $23.69 Canadian on accommodations, and nothing on public transportation. So in total, I spent $48.69 Canadian during my 24-hour stay in Bratislava. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions about Bratislava, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, if you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button. See you next time!